Hey people, so I've decided that each time I come across, like I said, right, each time I've come across a nice profile on Instagram, I will speak about it. So there's this profile called Pani Manak's Squad, okay? It's basically Pani is the characters Parth and Neeti Taylor. You know, Kaisi Hai Yariyan, that was a show on MTV, I think. And so this is like a fan page, but it is so cute. Yeah, I mean the admin has made this certain this cute little video about the show and all. You all should visit this page, yeah, if you're on Instagram, because if you all like this show and if you all like Neeti Taylor, I'm like a huge fan. This cute little page will make your day. So I'll write the name on in the description, like as a title, so that you'll find this cute page and follow it, because I really feel you should encourage these fan efforts because they are so sincere, so sweet. So really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.